will kind of look better in black and white. This song is called Push the Button. I usually start my live sets with this. Here we go.
Symmetry was never in question. Just trying ability to mention all this belief lying, and all your discreet lying. Conventional truths were not for me, and I thought that you could see time is running in, I know. So let's get on with the show. I couldn't quite read all the instructions. I guess life needs no introduction. Push the button, take the serene, 'cause the world just stays the same. Push the button, take the serene, 'cause the world just stays the same. And I was never good at speaking loud, incantations of being proud, taking Instagram and let's pretend that we can live our lives again. And in the mirror, in the fountain, it's your hero you were counting. What's a hero anyway? And just some luck that gets mislaid. Take it with you when you're gone. Relax your grip a little. You think it's over, but hold on. You know I am not brittle. The change you make is but your own. Set a party. Your office chair is not your throne, and that's not real money. And that's not real money. Take this terrain, 'cause the world just stays the same.
I wasn't there. We're just pissing about now. One day I'll probably do the videos properly or whatever. But for now, I don't give a shit. Can't say that.